everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club. How are you all doing? I just wish everyone is fine. As you all know, we always discuss amazing project in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to discuss another great project. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before this, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Okay, so today in this video we'll be talking about CrowdPlus. Here we are to the website of CrowdPlus. CrowdPlus company is a dynamic and digital engagement agency specializing in creating awareness and driving traffic for online products. They harness the power of social media to connect brand with their target audience, enhancing visibility, engagement, and brand loyalty. With strategic approach, they help business grow their digital footprint by leveraging influential social media and targeted campaigns. So here they do have strategic campaigns, impactful results, and lasting connection. You can simply connect your wallet from here to see the different type of packages. They do already have 246 point plus satisfied clients. You have all their links of the YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, which you can find to and simply follow them, and then you can find the details about the project and their ongoing event, etc. So here we have some of the latest features of the project. Like in this platform, you will get no upfront cost. You can start your campaigns today with no upfront cost or fees. You can check the verified creators, like partner with verified creators for authentic impactful campaigns. You can do live chat as well. You can connect to us with instantly through the live chat for quick support. You will get safe campaign, like secure, transparent, reliable, and customer support. So you can see the latest features are mentioned here, and then here we have some of their services, what the services they offer. So the top services of this is the social media engagement. They create and manage interactive campaigns to boost board awareness and engagement, like forward growth strategies. Their team help brands grow their social media presence organically with their real and relevant followers. Influencer marketing, they connect business requires their paid advertising, brand awareness campaigns, social media analytics and reporting, and community building and management. You can build relationships through consistent engagement and audience sport, and you can analyze the imbalance of this, so insights of optimized tracked services, and you can customize strategies to position your brands in the digital space effectively. So these are the services the Crowd Plus offered. And then here we have some of the frequently asked questions, like what services does Crowd Plus offer? How can social media campaigns help by businesses? What is influencer marketing and how can I benefit my brand? How do ensure new followers growth? So these are the questions you can go through. These are the questions of the project, and they will work with brands. Okay, so the mission of the Crowd Plus is to empower business by amplifying their online presence through innovative social media engagement, and they strive to create meaningful interactions that drive towards the results, and the vision is mentioned here. And then here we have trading packages. For package 1 they have $50, package 2 which is $100, package 3 $150, and up to $500. So these are the trading packages of the project. And then here we have their ROI earning, which is ROI exchange or capped at 2x of 208% of the initial investment, and total earnings is capped at 3x of 300% with 3x management. Okay, let's come income wallet. 50% for all income is credited to the income wallet. Funds can be transferred to the package wallet in multiples of $10, and direct withdrawal from the income wallet is possible with 10% deduction. So this is the income wallet of the project. And then here we have some of the wallet. The system operates with 3 types of wallet: income wallet, package wallet, and USDT wallet. So you can see this. And then we have package wallet. 50% of the income is credited to the package wallet. Funds can be transferred to another user ID with a deduction of 2% in multiple $10, and activation with 50% funds from this wallet and the remaining 50% for USDT wallet. The package wallet can be users for ID. USDT wallet. All deposits are credited to the USDT wallet. Fund can be transferred only at any user ID without deductions. The USDT wallet can be users used for ID activation with 100% funds. So then we have their income structures: daily ROI, rank ROI, salary bonus, global leg, and matching bonus. So these are the income structures of the project. And then we have daily ROI, which is 1%. 1% daily return on investment, 50% credit to the income wallet, 50% credit to the package wallet, 10% for upcoming wallet. Bank ROI is mentioned here. So you can see that they have self package, their total leg, rank, etc. Everything is mentioned here. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.